Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 2. The name of the unit is Does He Remember? First of all, comprehension. Question number 1 is, what did Mike see when he arrived at the gate? Answer of this question is, when Mike arrived at the gate, he saw a sign that said, "Beware of dogs." Below that sign, someone had scrawled, "They will have you for breakfast." Next question is, give 2 reasons why Mike did not climb over the gate. Mike did not climb over the gate because he knew that there were guard dogs inside. Also, he thought he was too old to do such things. Next question is, have Mike been to the house before? How do we know? Yes, Mike had been to the house before. We know because it says that he was thinking about all the occasions he had visited this very house, and because he remembered Nabil's dog as puppy. What kind of room was Nabil sitting in? Nabil was sitting in a large dark living room. How did Marmaduke react to Mike? Marmaduke reacted angrily to Mike as soon as he smelt him. How did Mike leave the property? Mike left the property by running out and leaping over the gate. Which words and phrases tell us that Mike was frightened of Marmaduke? Mike made sure to keep close to the old man. He tends to stay close to someone when we are frightened. Mike edged forward. His movement is slow, which tells us that he is scared rather than confident. August stopping dead in his tracks. August means to be filled with horror or shock. He is scared and stiff. A few more suggestions. I do, stuttered Mike. No, no, whispered Mike. Stop him, do something, screamed Mike. Shakily, trembling hands wiped the sweat off his brow. How do you think Marmaduke recognized Mike? Marmaduke recognized by his smell. Answer the following question with reference to context. Can you be sure? Asked Mike. Question number 1 is, to whom does Mike address this question? Nabil. Next question is, what is Mike trying to make sure of? Answer of this question is, Mike is trying to make sure that Marmaduke does not remember how Mike used to worry him. Does the answer satisfy him? No, he asks the question again to double check. Next question is, Nabil acted just in time. What made Nabil act in time? Marmaduke leaped forward in an attempt to attack Mike. What did he do? He threw himself on top of the dog, pinning it firmly to the floor, slowing it down. Was his action satisfactory? Only temporarily. Marmaduke was strong and Mike later saw him at the window, so he must have gotten free from Nabil's grip.